So let's talk about the viscosity. You have some liquids which flow very fast, like water, and you have some liquids which flow very slowly, like honey, and what you call, they can get frozen also. Like you have ghee at home, ghee freezes, so viscosity is less, and water has high viscosity, highly viscous. It can easily, basically, the resistance to flow. So we have water and honey, and if you put water on this slide, the water will flow very fast, you know. And same if you put honey on this plane, the honey will flow very slowly. So resistance to flow is more in honey, and water can flow very fast. So just consider water like this. So what if water is flowing from left to right, and it's like in a river, and the water at the bottom, which is close to the land, it will flow at very low speed because of the friction with the land. And the moment you keep going up, the friction reduces and the flow of the water will keep increasing. The speed of the water will be keep increasing. So the topmost surface of the water will be flowing at the highest speed, and the speed will keep increasing from bottom to the top. So different layers of water, if we assume. So if we assume that there are different layers of water in the same layer, and each layer is opposing each other to flow, so this force is the viscous force, which is giving the resistance to flow to other layers. So same way, if honey is there in place of water, so this viscous force will be very much more in viscous substances. So like ghee and palm oils and honey, these types of materials have very high viscous force, and they get solidify very easily. So these substances, like, they take lot of time to clean. So why it is important in oil tankers? Because if you have palm oil or something and it is freezing inside the tank, then you will not be able to discharge, and it will be very difficult to clean if you don't maintain the temperature. So viscous force is the resistance to flow, and it is depending on the temperature. If you don't maintain the temperature, like because of viscosity, we have to heat some liquids like palm oil, especially in the tankers. If we don't maintain the proper viscosity and temperature, then you will have to clean the tank and you cannot discharge. तो ये विस्कोसिटी को हिंदी में गाढ़ापन से बोल देते हैं. जितना लिक्विड तुम्हारा गाढ़ा है, उतना तुम्हारा विस्कोसिटी ज़्यादा है. एंड वाटर इफ इट इज जितना पतला है, दैट मीन्स विस्कोसिटी इज लेस.